The Department of National Defense has formally received the first batch of military aid, worth of RMB 76 million or 614.3 million peso from China. Consisting of engineering equipment, trucks, buses and vans, ambulances and fire trucks, bomb disposal equipment, and among others. These equipment arrived last month, and the DND confirmed that another batch worth around 436.5 million peso will be arriving at a still undisclosed date. PCG plan to procure additional aircraft appears to be a bill from Surigao del Norte 1st District Representative Bingo Matugas, who called for a resolution to increase funding appropriations for the PCG in fiscal year 2022, to allow the acquisition of aircraft. Max Defense Philippines previously posted photos of PCG personnel conducting inspection at LET Aircraft Industries in Czech Republic, as the aircraft is eyed for acquisition for a multi-purpose aircraft requirement based on the LET L-410NG light aircraft. Czech sources has also confirmed that the PCG and LET Aircraft Industries are in final stages, with a proposed cost of around 670 million Czech korunas, $31.3 million United States dollars. The project appears to be a government-to-government G2G deal, as the Czech government appears to be part of the negotiations. Max Defense Philippines sources confirmed that the plan is to acquire 2 aircraft, with maritime patrol capabilities similar to those acquired by Poland, equipped with a surface search radar and electro-optical infrared camera. Thank you for watching. For more update, don't forget to like and subscribe.